Imagine this. You have a trusted butcher. You've known him for years, maybe even generations. His father was a butcher. His grandfather was a butcher. There's never been any issue. Every week you buy meat from him. Delicious, fresh, high quality. He greets you warmly, knows your name. Then, one day, he disappears. Weeks go by, and suddenly the news breaks. Your trusted butcher is in jail, and the authorities issue a chilling statement. The meat he has been selling may contain human remains. That pork you've been eating, the one you loved so much, it may have been mixed with human flesh, flesh from people who were brutally murdered, dismembered, and sold as food. This isn't just a nightmare scenario. This actually happened. And today, we dive into one of the most horrifying cases in history. Robert Pickton, the pig farm killer.